Whose videos are off, please switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. Ishika, Arohi, Eeraj, Shaurya, Harshit, Harsh Lalwani, Devanshu, Meena, please switch on your videos. I want to see your faces. I want to see your face. Bhavya Jain, you're looking so much of tired. Sit properly. Vinay, where are you? Okay, so take out your English reader book. Chapter we have learned yesterday. Did you understood that chapter? Water cycle, how it rains? Yes, who will give the answer? How it rains? Vedant? Yes, beta, tell me how it rains. बारिश कैसे होती है?
पहले जब अपन सब्जी बनाते हैं तो वो भाप बन के ऊपर जाता है, फिर उससे बादल बनता है।
नहीं, सब्जी से नहीं, रिवर्स और लेक्स के वाटर से बनता है। सब्जी का तो इतू सा होगा, है ना? गुड, कोई बात नहीं। ओके, नेक्स्ट लाम्या मोटवानी, टेल मी बेटा हाउ इट्स रेन्स।
मैम, सूरज की गर्मी से पानी भाप बनकर ऊपर आता है, फिर वो बूंदों में जुड़कर बादल बन जाता है।
यस,
फिर बरसता है।
ओके, वेरी गुड। पहले छोटे छोटे बादल होते हैं, फिर वो क्या होते हैं, बड़े बादल बन जाते हैं। व्हेन दे गेट हैवी दे स्टार्ट रेन। ओके, you can Anshika, switch on your video, then only I will ask you. Yes, Ishan Singh. Yes, Ishan, you raised your hand. Tell me what you want to say.
Mama,
Yes.
सनसेट से रिवर में जाके रिवर का पानी बन के भाप ऊपर जाके छोटे छोटे बादल बन के ना हैवी होते हैं, उसमें छोटे छोटे सर्कल होते हैं, फिर ना बारिश होती है।
यस, गुड। चलो हम एक बार और बताते हैं आपको। Okay, so yesterday we have done. If you have any confusion, is someone else जिसको समझ नहीं आया था, if you want to ask, you can ask. Then we will start our exercise work. Exercise work करें? Take out your book. Page number 14. Put a tick or a cross against each other. Kirat, why are you making so much faces? Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take your pencil in your hand and book. So first one is, we can see water vapor in the air. Is it right or wrong? We can see water vapor in the air. Is it right or wrong? Who will give the answer? Ishan Singh and Aradhya Rai, Tanvi Chauhan, Chanchal, where are you? Yes, Dakshish. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Yes. What we can see in the air? Water vapor we can't see. So what we can see? Bolo?
Raining.
No. Yes, Harshit Rajput. We can see water vapor.
Clouds.
Yeah, clouds. एक minute. Yes, Ishan. Ishan Singh Bist, give your answer.
Winter.
No, we can see water vapor in the air is cross. We can see water drops. Water drop दिखते हैं. Vapor we can't see. We can see water drops. So इसको करेंगे cross. Cross it.
तारों का कलर था.
And second is heat changes water into water vapor.
True.
Correct. सही है.
I'm true.
बदली मत करना.
What is the answer?
True.
Yes, right. It's true. Heat होने पर ही water vapor में change होता है ना water. Evaporation होता है. Yes, Chanchal.
Water vapor can change into water drops.
Chanchal, is it true or false?
ये वर्ष काफी में करना है क्या?
No, in book. Exercise work we have to do in book only. If you need to do something in your notebook, I will tell you. Okay.
अरे तो बाहर के बाद भी ठीक होता है. बाहर आया हमने पूजा बता दो मतलब.
Okay, done. Number 3 is water vapor can change into water drops. Is it right or wrong? Yes, Hardik. Water vapor.
Yes, ma'am.
Give your answer. You have book.
Yes. Tick. True. True.
Yes, right answer. It's true. Water vapor can change into water vapor. It is also true. The next is number 4. We can see water vapor change into water. आप water vapor को water में change होते देख सकते हो. Is it right or wrong? Yes, Ananya Singh.
मैम जल्दी सो गया था.
है ना, देख सकते हैं. When it comes in the cold air, we can see it. जब ये water vapor ठंडे हो जाते हैं, then we can see them as a water drop. Okay, so it's true. Number 5, the air we breathe out has no water vapor in it. True or false?
False.
Yes. The air we breathe out has no water vapor, but we have, है ना, हाँ होता है. So wait. Can you see it? Now next is how it rains. Okay, let's start. It's a, if you have not done, then listen it again. It's raining. Okay, so first one is we can see water vapor in the air. So this is cross. Cross it if you have not done in your book. Then second is heat changes water into water vapor. It's right. Okay. Number 3, water vapor can change into water drops. This is also right. Kirat Kaur, look at the screen. We can see water vapor change into water. It's stick. And the last one is the air we breathe out has no water vapor in it. Yes, we had, but we can see in the winter season only, hai na? Okay, next question is, here you can see on the screen that here are, read the sentence in the box, write them in right order. There you can see some sentences are written here about water cycle, but it is jumbled. Lines are not correct. So you have to write in the correct manner. Okay, what happens first, then what comes next. So the first one is the heat of the sun changes into water vapor. Okay, कि heat क्या करती है, water को water vapor में change कर देती है. Then what will be the next line? Next line कौन सी होगी? सुंदर लखवानी. Yes, Sundar Lakhwani, who is this? Give answer. What will be the next line? What happens after water changes into water vapor? Sundar. Sundar kaise naam hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give your answer. What happened next after this? इसके बाद क्या होता है? No. What happens after water change into water vapor? Yes, Samarth. Samarth Chandra. बेटा आप बताओ. What happens after this? कौन सी लाइन आनी चाहिए इसके बाद? Samarth, give. Harshit. Yes, Harshit, give your answer. Hardik, give your answer, Hardik.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा what will come after this? इसके बाद कौन सी लाइन आएगी?
The water vapor
Yes.
goes up into the sky.
Yes, very good. इसके बाद आएगा the water goes up into the sky. This line. So write down number 2 in this line. The water vapor goes up in the sky. This is your first line. The water vapor goes up into the sky. So write down number 2. You have to write this in number 2. Then what will come next? What will be the next line? Yuvraj, I will not ask anything because your video is off. Yes, Yash. What should be the next line?
The tiny water drops make a cloud.
Yes, the tiny water drops make a cloud. Second line is the water vapor goes up in the sky. Then third will be the tiny water drops make a cloud. Yes, right. Write down number 3. Yes, Isha Sharma. Isha Sharma. What will be the next line on number 4? What happens after make a cloud? Yes.
The water drops become big and heavy.
Yes, the water drops become big and heavy, right? वो क्या होते हैं? Big, बड़े और heavy होते जाते हैं. Okay, the water drops become big and heavy. Then what will be the next line? Yes, Yuvraj. What will happen after this? Number 5.
Ma'am, the air can't hold the heavy drops.
Yes, very good. क्या होगा फिर? Air क्या करेगी? Heavy drops को hold नहीं कर पाएगी.
Tiny water drop.
Okay, the air can't hold the heavy drops. Number 5. And what will be the last line? Who will give the answer? Kush, first switch off your video, then I will ask. Yes, Yuvraj. Yes, Yash.
In begins to rain.
It begins to.
It begins to rain.
Yes, very good. So understood? This is the water cycle. That water cycle you have to draw in your English copy. Okay? How you have to do? I will send you a PDF. Okay? That you have to do. You have to write that water cycle and then you have to draw that picture also. Okay? As it given in your book. Okay, then next. Next is choose the correct answer to each question. What warms the earth? Harsh Lalwani, give your answer. Come in front of camera, I can't see you. Yes, Harsh Lalwani, beta bataiye. What warms the earth?
The sun.
Yes?
The sun.
Yes, right answer. Tick. Sun. Answer is the sun. Okay. Then next is what can't we see in the air? Yes, Vedant. Give your answer. What can't we see in the air? Water drop or water vapor?
Water drops.
No, drop we can see. Barish hoti hai, you can see that drops.
Ma'am, paper.
Yes, vapor we can't see. है ना?
मैम इसको पेपर बोलते हैं कि वेपर?
Vapor, VAPOUR. It's vapor.
यस.
R is silent. It's not vapor. It's vapor. Okay. So answer is water vapor we can't see in the air. All the time it is in the air, but we can't see. नदी से steam vapor हो रहा, but we can't see. Next is, when do we have water vapor in the air? Yes, Kush?
Yes, ma'am.
Give your answer, beta. What do we have? When do we have water vapor in the air? All the time or when it rains?
When it rains.
No, we are talking about water vapor, not water drops.
All the time.
All the time it happens. अभी it's a sunny day, है ना? Rivers क्या कर रही होंगी? Vaporization चल रहा होगा, but we can't see. So it's all the time. It's in the air. So tick all the time. Okay. Okay. Next is, what changes water vapor into water drop? Bhavya Jain, give your answer. Give, don't smile, give your answer. कितने आराम से. Bhavya, what changes water vapor into water drop? Hot air or cold air?
Hot.
No, hot air तो बनाती है.
Cold.
Yes, cold air. Because of that only, आपने विंटर सीजन में कभी ट्राई किया है? मुंह से धुआं निकलता है, देखा है? नहीं देखा? Then this time you देखना आप, ठीक है? ओके? अब जब विंटर सीजन आएगा तो आप चेक करना आपके मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है या नहीं निकल रहा.
देखता तो शीशों में.
अब विंटर सीजन के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो आंसर इज कोल्ड एयर. कोल्ड एयर. Okay, then next page. Page number 15. Complete these words. Anika, why are you dancing? अनिका, क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, next is complete these words with er, or, our. ठीक है, you have to complete this sentence with the help of these three words, sound words. Okay, er, or, and our. So just raise your hand if you know the answer. So first one is col. What should be there? क्या आना चाहिए? Anika and Manav Jha. Yes, Manav. बताओ first one. col.
COLOUR.
क्या बन जाएगा? स्पेलिंग क्या बनेगी? COLOUR. क्या बनेगा? What is the spelling? हाँ?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Color. COLOUR. It's color.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is ACT. What will come here? Here is two dash given, so you should know कि ER or OR. So what should we write? So to make a spelling, ACT dash dash. Devanshu. Yes, Devanshu. क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? To make a new spelling, fill in the blanks. देवांशु बताओ बेटा, क्या स्पेलिंग आ सकती है? हु कैन गिव द आंसर?
मैम मुझे इसका नहीं पता, मेरे को है ना टीचर और है ना वेपर और ना कलर्स वाटर, इनका ही पता है मेरे को।
अच्छा चलो नेक्स्ट विनय।
यार
यस बेटा गिव योर आंसर। कौन सी स्पेलिंग बन रही है यहाँ पर?
अरे मेरे को
बोलो।
वाटर।
No, this one number 4. अच्छा, second one is yes, water. Right answer. You write here ER. It's water. Number 3.
यस लिखा हुआ है,
Yes, number 3.
मैं बता दो टकता।
What should we write to make a spelling?
मैं
DOCT.
और
Hitanshi. Beta, what is that spelling number 3?
मैम डॉक्टर।
Yes, right. DOCTOR. Very good. Now Arohi. Number 4. What is the spelling? What we should write to make a new word?
और
OR. Then what it will be? Actor. Mama is helping you.
नो
Okay. And that videos is off. I will not ask. Okay, Tanvi. Number 5. Which spelling is this? SING. What should be right here?
सिंग
Huh?
सिंगिंग
No. You have just 2 dash. You have to make the spelling with these words only. What should we write here to make a new spelling? SING.
ER सिंगर।
Oh, now that's right. Okay, number 6. आप नहीं बताएंगे? Dimple. Dimple. Beta, what is the spelling number 6? Complete that spelling.
मैम BUTTER
Then, what will be that spelling?
बटर।
Yes, right. Write down it's butter. Good. Sundar Lakhwani. Number 7, farm.
यस मैम।
Yes, beta, number 7, what is that spelling? What should be write in the text? Oh, yes, right. Spelling will be, tell me that spelling. FARM.
ER
Yes, right. Number 8. Sorid. Sorid. Sorid, give the answer. Number 8. Sorid. अच्छा पूछा तो वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया. Anshika.
यस मैम।
Beta, what is the spelling on number 8?
क्या मैम?
What is the spelling of number 8? TEACH. What is that spelling? What should we write in the dash?
TEACH
TEACH. Teach. What should we write from these words?
ER
No. Think about this. What spelling it should be? TEACH.
CHER
Internet connection jam. It's teacher. Okay. Good. It's teacher. TEACHER. It's teacher. And the last one is web. WAP web. Okay, Manish. Yes, Manish.
Ma'am, vapor.
Yes, very good. WAPOUR, vapor. These are the spelling. Chanchal Meena, what happened, beta? क्या हुआ आपको?
No, ma'am.
Say nothing. Okay, next is find the lesson, the opposite of these, find in the lesson the opposite of these words. So you have to find these opposite from your book. It's given in your chapter. So what is the opposite of hot? Chanchal, give your answer. What is the opposite of hot?
Cool.
Yes, right. COLD, cold. Write down. COLD, cold. Yes, Ishan.
What happened, ma'am?
अच्छा अंशिका का हो गया. अंशिका, what is the opposite of low?
What, ma'am?
Opposite of low, LOW, low. What is the opposite of low?
Opposite of low.
Low का opposite क्या होगा? Low means down, नीचे. What will be the opposite of low?
Up.
Up, no. Down का होगा, low का क्या होगा?
High.
Yes, right answer. Good. HIGH, high. Okay. Ishan Singh. Beta,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the opposite of cool?
Hot.
No, warm. We will write it warm. WARM, warm. We have to find out from the book. So warm. Okay, good. Samarth. Opposite of earth. Earth का opposite क्या होगा? Yes, Lamya. Lamya.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite of earth. Think. It's very easy.
Sky.
Yes, right. Very good. Then next is light. Opposite of light.
Heavy.
Light heavy or light ka dark. Both can be. Okay. Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite of down.
Up.
Yes, very good. And happy.
Heavy light.
No, happy. HAPPY, happy.
Sad.
Yes, very good. Then last is inside. किसने नहीं बताया? Wait. Let me check.
Outside.
The answer. Dimple. Opposite of inside.
Then outside.
Yes, very good. So this also has done. Okay. You can write if you have not done. Write it down. You can take a screenshot if you want. And rest of the work we will done our next class. Okay? Rest of the work we will do in our next class.
Ma'am,
Bye. Have a nice day.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, diary make no.
Yes, you have to write down the diary. You have to learn the exercise.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, I'm giving you. Wait.
ma'am,
Yes.
आपने एंग्री लिखा है, हम सैड लिख सकते हैं?
क्या?
मैम, हैप्पी का ऑपोजिट आपने एंग्री लिखा है, हम सैड लिखते हैं?
हाँ हाँ लिख सकते हो. इट्स ओके. हाँ सर, एक होमवर्क और डाल दो. आप लोग भी छुट्टी हो जाती है. Write down in your diary that you have to draw water cycle and you have to write all the steps of raining in your English reader notebook. Okay, this steps you have to write in your copy and you have to draw that water cycle also. Okay, bye. Have a nice day all of you. Write down in your diary with date. I will send you a PDF related to this so that you have to draw in your copy. Okay, don't worry, don't get confused कि मैम कैसे करना है. I will send you. Okay, bye. Now if you have done, you can leave the class. It's your last class, you can leave.
Draw water cycle, CYCL, in the
हाँ सर.
English reader book.